You are watching a 007 production. Oh. Hey guys. Alright guys. Let's go see the beauty of nature. The wind barely blowing through the trees. The sun blinding your eyes and the camera's eyes. Sorry, camera. And me walking around and exploring this... whatever this is. It's a beautiful night day in the neighborhood. No, I won't. Don't ask me how that got there, guys. I will ask you, friend. You're right. Tree hugger. I'm gonna have to call the tree police. Hello, tree police? Yeah, state your emergency. Okay, I know you're sitting on the couch eating chips, but this tree is stupid. You must come and help. Oh, okay. That sounds cool. Yes. Bye. Ooh, who's that handsome looking devil? You should probably end your video. It's getting kind of long, snot face. I should probably end it. Alright. Bye, guys. It's a beautiful night day in the neighborhood.